Did you hear that? Something just moved in the shadows. It's probably nothing, or is it? Around the world, people have told stories of strange creatures. Some call them myths, others say they're real. Today, let's explore a few of these mysterious monsters and dive a little deeper into their fascinating stories. Let's start with Bigfoot. Also known as Sasquatch, this legendary creature is said to roam the forests of North America. Witnesses describe it as a tall, hairy, ape-like figure with enormous footprints. But despite countless sightings, blurry photos, and even footprints, no one has ever caught one. Some believe Bigfoot is a relic from the past, a species that escaped extinction. Others think it's just an elaborate hoax. So, what do you think? Could Bigfoot be out there hiding in the dense wilderness? Next up, the Yeti. Known as the abominable snowman, this creature is said to inhabit the snowy Himalayas. Unlike Bigfoot, the Yeti's domain is freezing, high-altitude mountains. Locals believe it's a protector of the mountains, guarding sacred places. Over the years, explorers and mountaineers have reported strange sightings and found large footprints in the snow. Some even claim to have found hair samples that don't match any known animal. But is it enough to prove the Yeti is real? Or is it just the imagination running wild in the icy wilderness? Now, let's talk about the Mothman. First reported in West Virginia during the 1960s, the Mothman is described as a humanoid with large wings and glowing red eyes. It's often associated with fear and tragedy. Witnesses claim that the Mothman appeared before the collapse of the Silver Bridge in 1967, leading many to believe it's a harbinger of disaster. Sightings are rare, but the mystery surrounding Mothman keeps people wondering if it's a creature from another world or just a misunderstood animal. And then, there's the Skinwalker. A legend from Navajo culture, Skinwalkers are said to be humans who can transform into animals by wearing their skins. They're often connected to dark magic and are said to bring bad luck or harm. According to tradition, Skinwalkers are shrouded in secrecy and fear, making it difficult to separate fact from fiction. Are Skinwalkers just folklore meant to warn people? Or could they have roots in something more real? Finally, let's not forget creatures like the Chupacabra, Loch Ness Monster, and more. The Chupacabra, said to suck the blood of livestock, has sparked fear across Latin America. Meanwhile, the Loch Ness Monster, or Nessie, has drawn countless tourists to Scotland, all hoping for a glimpse of the legendary lake creature. Across the globe, people continue to share stories of encounters with the unexplained, passing them down through generations. But why do these stories persist? Are they just tales to entertain, or do they speak to a deeper human desire to believe in the unknown? Could they even hint at undiscovered creatures we've yet to understand? What do you think? Are these creatures products of imagination, or could there be a grain of truth to these legends? Let us know your thoughts, and remember, the world is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered.